Hey everyone, welcome back to Kiddo Adventure Zone, the place where colors zoom, pencils race, and imagination runs faster than ever before. Today, we're drawing and coloring two super fun characters from the world of speed and adventure, Sonic the Hedgehog and his cheerful friend Amy Rose. Sonic is famous for his incredible lightning-fast moves, brave spirit, and his glowing blue energy that makes him one of the coolest heroes around. And Amy Rose, with her sweet smile and strong heart, is always ready to help her friends and bring kindness, courage, and a touch of pink to every adventure. I start by sketching Sonic, the fastest hedgehog in the world. Then I shape his fast-moving arms and legs, giving him a strong, energetic pose that makes him look like he's in the middle of a powerful run. Sketching Sonic's sharp head spikes, carefully drawing each one as they flow backward like they're slicing through the wind at full speed. Next, I outline his confident face with those determined eyes that show he's ready to dash into action and save the day without hesitation. Color his face, belly, and arms with a soft beige tone, giving him that perfect balance between strength and warmth. I start filling in his body with a deep, brilliant blue, spreading the color evenly to capture Sonic's iconic, bold look that shines with energy. Next, I color his shoes in bright red with white straps and golden buckles, making them stand out like the classic speed shoes that help him race across any challenge. Finally, I color the chaos emeralds around him in sparkling shades of blue, creating a glowing energy that shows Sonic's unstoppable power in full action. Now, I begin drawing Amy Rose, starting with her cute rounded face and big, friendly eyes that shine with excitement and joy. Next, I sketch her beautiful hair spikes that curve gracefully backward, giving her that signature pink look full of charm and confidence. I draw her gloves and the details of her arms and legs, making sure her pose looks cheerful and lively, like she's about to wave hello or spin her magic hammer in joy. Then, I outline her stylish dress and her boots, adding soft curves and smooth lines to make her look energetic and full of life, just like she always is. Next, I color her boots in pink and white, giving them a bright shine that matches her confident and energetic pose. Then I fill in her dress with a rich red tone and outline the white borders that make her outfit look neat and stylish. Coloring her hair and spikes in a bright, vibrant pink that glows with happiness and personality, perfectly matching her bubbly attitude. Finally, I color her eyes in a soft green tone that sparkles with kindness and determination, completing Amy's sweet yet powerful look that makes her stand out right beside Sonic. And there we have it, friends. Sonic the Hedgehog and Amy Rose, both brought to life with amazing colors, bold lines, and so much energy on our page. Sonic looks fast, fierce, and full of power, while Amy shines with her friendly smile and unstoppable courage, ready to join Sonic on their next big adventure. Thank you for drawing and coloring with us today here on Kiddo Adventure Zone, where imagination always moves at top speed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome art adventures, because at Kiddo Adventure Zone, every color tells a story and every line brings your favorite heroes to life.